Mackey 2 is a Zambian multi-award winning hip-hop musician, singer, songwriter and producer. He was born on October 10, 1984 in Luanshya, Zambia. Full name Mulaza Khera. He is also known by the stage names Mackey 2, Mackey 2, MK Mackey 2, DJ Buger and Flavor Boy. In 2015, he married Hotenga Chilo. In the year 2014, Khera signed metaphoric rapper Muzo Aka Alfonso to his Kopala Swag or Alpha Entertainment's label. However, the latter departed the record label in 2016 after having differences with owner Mackey 2 and other label mates. His young brother Kondwani Khera is also a musician and the two have shared the stage multiple times. He also has a sister Toela Khera who is also a musician and they have so far done a song together alongside Kondwani Khera titled Delay which has received massive radio airplay. He is known for participating in the 9th season of Big Brother Africa where he placed 3rd in the competition. Khera was a contestant on the 9th season of Big Brother Africa and some viewers stated that he was too quiet. He survived in the house for the full length of the show and received a substantial amount of support from his fans and Zambians at large. He stayed in the house until the 9th and final week when he was eliminated in 3rd place. After competing in the house, D-Bench of DV Records wanted to sign Khera, but he declined due to the conditions of the contract. One issue with the contract was that it required him to vacate to Nigeria and release his first single on Valentine's Day in 2016. Between 2009 and 2010, he became involved in a feud with Lusaka rapper Slap D, which increased his popularity in the city. One noticeable song was the diss track I'm Z Hip Hop, which featured Shape 187. Khera began showing an interest in music in his childhood after attending the Catholic Church in Ndola. In 2011, he left home to travel to Lusaka, where he released his album Ndi Mufondo under the Digital X label with Alpha Entertainment and JKO. Two songs from the album, I Am the President and Number 1 Fan, received radio play and were positively received by audiences. Between 2009 to 10, he became involved in a feud with Lusaka rapper Slap D, which increased his popularity in the city. One noticeable song was the diss track I Am Z Hip Hop, which featured Shape 187. He later received the Zambia Music Award for Album of the Year in 2013 for his album Legendary. In 2014, Khera was nominated in the Zambia Music Awards in the categories of Best Mainstream Artist, Best Hip Hop or Rap Album and Best Collaboration.